playback is B.
Yes. Yeah, you see, the recording setting is coming only in port B. Now if I change it to port A, you will not see that. That is direct. Okay, so if you want to do something on the recorder and you want to see it, you have to put it in port B. Okay, some people will press play and they will say, I cannot see anything in the recorded file, I am not able to play back. So you have to change it to port B. Now if I go to the recording list over here, nothing is there. Nothing is there. So I'm just going to do a temporary, let's say I'm just going to sample one. I'm going to record this, okay? Here for recorder, just have to click on record.
Okay.
That's all.
Not in the...
No, not in the scope. It's all separate. Once you click the record, you will see it's starting to record over here. The time is going. So now I'll just turn on the light. Okay, it's almost 10 seconds. Now I'm stopping the procedure. I'll press stop over here. It shows end over here, okay?
Or we can just pause
If you want to do something, you can pause. If you press stop, it will completely stop. If you press pause, it will just pause it and you can resume recording in the same folder itself, the same file. So now menu, if I go to menu, you will see, you can use the arrow keys over here and then the enter to select. You can go down and press on the recording list, you will see this one. So this is the first one which we recorded for today's date. Okay. The thing is that here there is something called a status. In this recorder we can, there are two external medias. You have the DVD as well as the USB. So I will do the setting for you. If you are giving to patients, I don't know whether you people are doing that, giving the file to patients. You are not doing that.
No, sometimes we are recording.
Sometimes you are recording and you are giving the CD.
To the...
Okay. So what you do is you don't need to make sure that the CD is inside. No need to worry about that. It will automatically. It also has an internal hard disk. It will be saved over here. If you see the status, this status symbol means it is not saved to any external media. If it is saved to an external media, you will not see this symbol over here. Okay. So now you recorded for one patient. You want to, if the patient is requesting you to give that file, you can take a CD. You can eject and you can go to you can put the CD over here. Insert the CD. Go to menu.
Select
the recording list. What you do is, you will see the file over here. You have to change this option over here from play. If you go to play, if you press now, it will play now. Okay. Now this is the recorded file which is being played. Yeah, it's being displayed. So what you do is, when you see that list over there, you have to change this play. Go right down, select this, change to save to. Okay. When you press save to, they will show an option like a box has come over here. If there are multiple files, you will see many. You have to select it. Go left again, click on enter. You will see a tick mark on that box. Once it's ticked, so you have 2 or 3 files. You can select which is that. Again, go back over here and click on execute. They will show here external media. In that you can change. You want to copy it to USB or you want to copy it to DVD. So when you go there, you can click enter. You will see 2 options.
Okay.
So you can click on DVD and then you can change the storage format to MP4. That is better. Okay. And then since there is no CD, execute is not being shown or highlighted over here. If there is a CD, it will show. Just go down and then click on execute, enter. It will start copying.
In the CD.
So it will show another screen will be showing like writing. You got the point.
Like
So once
burning,
it will
CD
show
burn.
how many percentage write complete it will show. If it is 100%, you can close it. Okay, and then you can take out the CD and give it to the patient. So this is the recording. So
Only Sony DVD or any other DVD?
yeah, I mean DVD is I would recommend to use the Sony and all the good quality CDs. Okay, but make sure DVD minus R. There is something like minus R. That is the format which will work.
Minus R, not
DVD
plus.
no, plus R will not work. DVD minus R. Okay. The CD you will see it. It's written like that. That's for the recorder. Okay. Printer. Printer is very simple. I'll just quickly get to the printer also. Okay, now what I'm doing is in port A, I'm just gonna show you how to print. Okay, it's very simple over here. You can see something called as capture. You cannot do from the scope. It's from here. You have to come and capture here. Once you capture over here,
In the scope, you capture
No.
No.
Release.
Release.
You said release.
the release is there, but that is not for printing. That will only save your image.
Yes.
Got my point. To print, capture means this is separate for the printer. Capture in the printer and then print it in the printer. So if you want to take any printout, if you press release, that will not work. It will save in your media. But if you want to take printout, you have to manually press capture and then print over here.
Can we not print from the internal memory?
From the internal memory, you can print it outside, not there.
What outside? What outside? How we cannot? Because if outside we will use this one,
Yep,
right?
yep.
So how can we print from outside? What do you mean by outside?
You can connect it to a PC. You have a printer.
It's not
No.
working with us here.
It's not working with you.
No.
They disabled
Disabled
the
the-
USB drives.
Sorry, I
They
didn't.
disabled the USB drives
Same way in the table, it's equal.
for safety.
Already they have in the base.
They have interface.
But we didn't finish from it.
Okay. So that means when the interface comes, then they can print, right?
Sasabayan lang.
So, see, in your order, there is an external, reporting system. It's called the Endobase. You can capture in that, and you can print. It will be connected to your hospital network through LAN. So whatever it will be connected to the doctor offices and everything. So remotely it will be connected. And once you capture any, it will be like an external PC, and this is a reporting software. You can capture all the images and it will be transferred to the printer. So just wait for that. Meanwhile, you can just print over here live pictures.
So when the doctor says capture, somebody has to be
Yes.
there.
How many pictures per?
Yes. You can print 4 pictures in one page, 2 pictures in one page, one in each page.
What is it?
You can set it over here, something called as multi-picture over here. There's something called multi-picture. If you see 1, that means one picture. If I press on multi-picture, there are multiple options over here. It change from 1 to 2 pictures in a page to 4 pictures in a page. Okay? So now if I set it in 4, you will see 4F1.
Yeah.
So in one page, you will see 4 pictures. So capture will be like 1, capture 2, capture 3, capture 4, then print. So 4 pictures and then print.
No remote control.
No remote control.
So we need NS like
Yeah.
So after four picture, if we will not print the same time,
Yeah.
it will
Save.
automatically it will go to the next page or
It
the.
will, the first picture will go. It's like a queuing system,
Yeah.
So again,
Okay.
it will
So
go.
later we can print the first picture.
No, later we cannot. It's the first 4 pictures printed. Don't
We
wait.
have to print the same
Yeah.
later. There is no A and B page.
No.
Oh.
I'll just 1 second.
And this paper is smaller.
Huh?
Paper is smaller.
Yeah.
It's not the same. It's not the same paper that we have
We are
there.
busy for something and we bring for the
Papers
color.
are small. We need more stuff to be there with the machine. Yeah.
Because small stuff.
There's a picture in your assignment.
Do you have the cables, all the cables which were provided when the system was installed?
What?
Do you have the box filled with cables? Where is that? Design.